Welcome to this tutorial. Here we'll discuss how to generate images and designs using free AI technology. Artificial intelligence AI stands as a disruptive force poised to permanently reshape our world. Its impact spans across virtually every sphere of human endeavor. Understanding the past, present, and the future of AI has evolved from being a choice to a necessity. This tutorial is meticulously crafted to furnish you with vital insights into the realm of AI. It serves as an integral component of the Comprehensive Mastery AI course. Enroll now via the link below to gain access to the entire course, which delves into AI terminologies and employs practical learning methodologies. Throughout the course, you will explore topics such as prompt engineering, ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, and generation of images from textual or vocal inputs. Let's embark on a journey to uncover free image generators and design creators. Let's go. My name is Ejofu Mano. See you in the class.
Welcome to this part of the lecture. In this course, we'll discuss how to use AI to generate images in different aspects of human endeavor. We'll look at social media images. We'll generate Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnail, Facebook posts, LinkedIn posts, and business cards, and several other things. So let's get going. As we know, we can launch the designer from the sidebar. We go straight to the site, which is designer.microsoft.com. So here we have bring your best idea to life. These are the things you can do with it. Set image creator and design creator. This can remove an object in the image. It's one of the tools when you get in there. This tool removes the background for you, and we have so many other tools. These are the upcoming. You have to visit this site to check them out. This is sticker creator, and this is generative expand. How to expand an image. It will generate images to expand it to look like one. So they are still working on it. So right now we'll choose what we want to do. I think we'll have to create Instagram. Let's say the list of the things we can do. Let's create a crocodile in a river. Let's copy so that it will be fast. We go to generate. Now, once you're here, you want to create image or generate image. You can get a good guide by looking at the images generated. You can tailor your own language towards this. You send the cards. How was it made? You place your mouse on it and you'll see the prompt that generated it. It's very important if it's your first time here to learn the images. You see that this one even give the number of bits or the size is going to use, while this one said an image of a palm tree. Anything you put into these brackets will be spelled out. It will highlight it. So if you want something highlighted, put it in square bracket. This will guide our future work. The same thing with this, and let's see whether anyone is in bracket here. Yes, family portrait is important. People laughing and smiling, very important. You see how they put it. Then here too. So the things you put, the flowers is the one highlighted, and the bluebird. If you see how it features the bluebird, and we'll have to put this into consideration. So let's go ahead and create this. We want to create a crocodile in a river attacking a lion. Make it a close attack. Borrowing from what he did, we can put the crocodile, we can emphasize the crocodile, emphasize river, and emphasize the lion. These are the things we want highlighted. So we have this. We have the river. we'll have the lion. This is just to help it, so it will target these 3 things. Okay, we can go ahead and generate. He said he could not generate, something went wrong. Okay, so we'll try to edit this. Let's remove this, make it close. Maybe he did not understand the language. Let's generate it again. Okay, that's it. That's it. You've seen the crocodile. It doesn't really look like a real crocodile. So we said that create a photorealistic photorealistic. It will allow you to make amendments before it gives you option whether you want to save or not. Okay, create a photorealistic. We just want to use it to see if the crocodile will look like a real crocodile, not generated one. Okay, better now. Okay, so with this you can generate any image you want. Just mind the language. Now if you finish generating, to finish your generating it, or select this, we can download it, and or we can customize it. Okay, so we download this, we can call it up and customize it. We click download. We save it as, we use JPEG, no, or prefer PNG. So if we want to change the background, we can change. See more. These are the old work we did. We click download. Let's see if the option of, okay, we don't want to save it as this. That's the only option it's giving us. We usually give other options, so it wants us to save it as this. It's usually give other options. Let's see why it's giving us only one option. We'll come here and say what I can save that PNG. No. Okay, we'll find out the reason, but for now we've taken our picture. Okay, so we close this. For each work, it puts it in its own page, so you can do what you want with it and close it after saving it. Okay, let's get to another example. Design a 3D logo. Okay, so the prompt is design a 3D logo for a company named Evergreen. The company makes herbal medicine. Let's see what it will come up with. Oh, that's wonderful. I think this is okay. Remember that if you prompt again, you get a different thing. So this is very okay. Now the designer wants to help you, so he has looked at what you have. He's trying to read your mind and say, would it have been this? Create a professional 3D logo for Evergreen, a herbal medicine company. So if you want to try its own language, we try whether it will improve it. So each time you prompt, see the prompt is generated for you. So that may give you a better picture, and learn its language, the way it uses language to generate images. So let's try its own out and see whether it will give us a better design. So always check this. It's trying to help you. It will read your mind and said, will you have prompted it this way? Okay, so this is what it comes up with. So I think the first prompt is very okay. So if you want to save this, you can go ahead and save it by making your selection, the one you select, go to customize, and you can download and save it. Okay, there are a lot of tools here. We'll come to use them. Let's generate a new one. We'll go to another prompt. This prompt is an Instagram prompt. It says design an Instagram post for a company named Evergreen. The company makes herbal medicine. We even put the address of the company and their website. Let's see how it will do this. Always remember, you have patience. You rephrase and try at times more than once before you get what you want. I think this is okay for us. So if it's okay for you, click customize. Okay, so this is the picture. Now we can do a lot with the picture and with the text. We'll start with the text. If we click this box, the editing features for the text comes up here. The size, the font, the format, whether it will be the position, whether it will be behind an image or in front of an image. We can set the opacity, we can rotate it. Then here we'll have normal fonts, the way you have it in CorelDRAW and Microsoft Word. We now have the ones that are designed, so you have to select from any of these. This is friendly, this is display, this is the friendly font, this is font font, this is handwriting. So you still have some more. So reliable, sans scripts. So it's easy for you to just come here, select the type of writing you want than designing from the scratch. Let's just change from something for changing sake. Or click reliable. This automatically changes to that. Then this is the color. You can change the color of the text. So you can choose your color here. You can even add your own brand. So choose the color you want for the text. Whatever color you're choosing, you have to mind readability. So that's what it does. If you click here, you can read all this. So let's see what is at the background. Now, if I want to add more images here, I can. So I will go to my media. In my media, I'll look at I can upload it to Designer. These are the ones I've uploaded to Designer. These are the ones I generated in the Designer. You can still generate images. So you can generate medias. You can add to this. If you want a logo, we can go to generate and generate it. Then we'll add it here. Let's see what we'll have that we uploaded. We have this logo. We use the same prompt I used, but this is the logo it came up with. So if we want to put this logo here as part of our design, we put it here. We have to adjust certain things. We move the text to one side so that it will accommodate the logo. So you can add anything to what you've designed. That's what I'm saying. Okay. These are the tools available for us once I've chosen this image. It's different from when I choose text. These are the things I can do with text. If I choose image, these are the things I can do with the image. First, he said I can remove the background. Yes. Let's remove the background of this image. Clean. Fantastic. Then, what else can we do? We go to this image. This says that we can remove item from a picture. This is supposed to be a very difficult thing to do, but we find out that the designer can do it for us. Let's target what we want to remove. Maybe we are not using flower. We want to remove this flower. So you click it. You go to the image you want to remove from the picture and click on it while it's loading. So we come here. This is what we want to remove. You see how we selected it. So we select this object and say erase. It will lift it and use other objects to fill it up without scratch, no sign. This is a very strong tool. So we can remove it and replace that with another object. While it's doing that, this removes it makes the background dull. You use this to dull background. See how it removed it as if it has never existed. Remember your undo. If you do something wrong, you can always use it. You say keep editing, yes. So if you are happy, it looks good, yes. So it means I've accepted it. It now gave me varieties of my design. I may drop my first design and pick from any of these. So these are powerful tools. We'll come to other ones too. So we go to the next prompt. If you like, you save this. If you don't like, you click next design. It's automatically saved. This one is Wargy. I'm trying to explain the intent. I'm publishing a tutorial on AI. The title is Mastery AI. Could you assist me in designing the thumbnail? Use complex graphics. Let's see what it will come up with. It will try to correct, to tell me how I've prompted it. It prefers you dictating the color it will use. Let's see what it will come up with. Remember, you have patience to keep on rephrasing until you get what you want. He now said, create a thumbnail for my AI tutorial titled. So this is the information he's giving me. But I think some of these are very okay. Very okay. But let's try its own suggestion. Click here. This is its own suggestion. Let's see whether it will give us a better image. I always look at its own, then you compare it with your own. Okay. So you see what we have, because we use complex image. Let's look at this. So we want to edit this. So during editing, we can bring many things here. We can even ask it to follow certain templates. So we click on it. We look at the template we'll have. Any templates you click here, to try to adjust to match this template. We can always undo. So let's see what this template will give us. Okay. So we need to now replace this AI, the picture. So we go back to the original. Then what can we do? If you have a theme, the set of colors you use, this media, we've used it. You can come here to add media. We have different types of media. You can pick media from your drive, from your Dropbox, upload. You can even generate. If I click here now, these are the things generated on this place. I generated this on this computer. So all I need is to drag any of these to it. Let's see whether any of them will help in AI. Okay, just for the lesson's sake, we'll drag this. If you are dragging a picture in, please don't allow it to cover here. Once it covers, it will replace the old one. Just put it by the side, then you can now adjust. This is very important. It's very disturbing when after dropping image, you start looking for your original, it has disappeared. So this is what we have. So you can add images here, including your picture. If you want your picture to be there as an instructor, I'll click my media and have pictures here. Let's see. Okay, these are generated from this device. I have to load it or upload from. Okay, let's say from this device. These are some of the pictures I took. Let's use the image, add the image of this lady. Okay, there's the lady. We'll drag the image here. Mind when you're dragging, make sure that it does not cover any other image. So we can put this image here. If we want more text, remember that this is a text box. We can drag, we can rotate, we can do anything we want with it. This to write the text inside it. So if we want a clean text, we'll just come here and clean, write this. Then here you see it gave us several options. Choose the one you want and type. If you choose from here, it will write exactly like this. So here we'll click this. I will drag this to this place. Then I can now say Mastery AI. Give it any title I want. If I do that, I can change the color. Once this is selected, I can change the color, I can change the size, and I can change the font style. So all this you can do with the fonts. For the picture, you've seen what you can do with it. This brand kit. Brand kit, you have theme, you have series of colors your company is using, or you want an image to adapt. So this is a very good way of doing that. We want it darker. It will do that for us. To change the colors to emulate this, including the font inside. We want it brighter. You can do that. It will look at our color and change it. You see what is doing to the colors. If you want it to affect all of them, you deselect all. If you want it to affect only one image, you select that particular image. Right now, I want to remove the background here. So we can remove, just click here. It's easy. We'll have the picture to use. So you can now put the picture in. So you now arrange to get what you want for your post. So we have looked at text. Under visuals, we'll have let's use call another demonstration now. So if we want to save this, we'll save. If we don't want, we'll use another. So we'll have this. We say create new. You always look here. You can pick very good things here. These are the prompts that generates it. It looks at what you're doing and try to give you samples. Anyone I want, I'll just, if I click any of this, you see that the prompt comes in. I'll use it to generate it. A similar thing. So if you're looking for a similar thing, you can click here. All you need is to rephrase this and you have it. Right now we'll have the one we want to. This is an Instagram story. So all you need is to just rephrase if you're doing anything with Instagram and you get a good result. Let's paste what we have. Create a photorealistic book cover with the title African Queen, featuring a beautiful African woman wearing a crown. Let's see how well it will do this. Some you have to change the language, you have to rephrase before you get what you want. So you keep on changing your prompt. Don't save until you get what you want. See all the work we've been doing. It's storing it for us. We can go back to it. So this is our prompt, and if you go through, you see that this is close to what we asked for. So we customize it. So right here we can change the background. We can change the background. We can change the background color. So let's try and change the background color. If we have image, we can replace the background. We can resize. So these are the things you can do with your work. Okay. Now these are ideas for anything you create. It will give you ideas. Always look at all these things. You may get more than what you bargained for. If you click here, let's say this. Let's say this. Okay. So these are the keywords we use. Featuring a beautiful African woman wearing a crown. That is the takeaway for the AI. Okay. We go to another prompt. So this will go for Instagram. Know that each picture, image you generated can be used for anything. All you need is to resize it. You click here. You go to resize. You now see current size is this. Very big graphics. For Instagram is this. Instagram story is this. Even Reels, the real thumbnails for Facebook. These are the standards. So once you say Instagram, it knows show all. So these are the things you can select. You can select from these standard sizes. These are pin story. This Twitter. So all these are known standard sizes. You don't need to crack your head. This is full stack A4. If you're doing something like beta-headed paper, this is later. So you don't need to crack your head to remember the size of what the media you're designing for. Just come here and resize. You can resize one image for more than one media, and it will accept. It will adjust to whatever you say. So that's another interesting thing. So visuals, you can add things to this. Some of them are even video. You can add it to your work. Let's click video. This will give you a short clip. If you come here now, you see this type of thing. The cat will move. So assuming we want to add here, you see, we'll add it. So when it opens, this will happen. Whenever you open this media, it will play. Okay, so and apart from that, we'll have graphics too. Let's remove this. We'll have graphics visuals, so you can go through these visuals and you can generate more. We'll have shapes, we'll have illustrations, so you can pick from any of these to complete your design. Then we'll have photos. These are photos. You can search for more photos to add here too. So we have a generate. You can generate your own too, just like we generated this. You can put what you want to generate, what image you want to generate. You put it here and it will generate it. A dog. Let's say an antelope. So if it can generate, and once it generates it, it stays here. You can reuse it in other work. So this is what it comes. We didn't say photorealistic, so it gave us this. So if we want to add this here, we can add. Once you did not say things like photorealistic, because it's created for fun design. The first option is to give you a fun design. Let's see if we can remove the background here. Okay. So this look fine. We can add it to the crown if we want to, so it matches very well. So the idea of go front, go back is this is here. Find out whether it's in front of the text or at the back of the text. If you want this at the back of the text, you now ask it to go backward, only one step. That it means send backwards means one step. Send to the back, it will go to the back of everything, including the big text box. So if we do that, it will just go backwards and the text will be in front of it. So that's what the position does. You see that the text is on it. Remember that your text can change color. So you handle all this until you get the design you want. So we've looked at this, we've looked at the visuals. So let's just go and generate another prompt. So we click new. Now we'll go into Instagram. We want to generate an Instagram banner. LinkedIn. Create LinkedIn banner for me. I teach digital marketing. A LinkedIn. Maybe it does not understand what LinkedIn is. Let's see. Okay, it's the English LinkedIn. So we ignore it. The social, it will understand it. You grammarly did not understand it. Once we are sure of the spelling. So ask it to generate this. Fine, for digital marketing. Good. So you can remove any of this picture and add your own. So we click this. Anyone you choose. Can we go by this? Okay, so many fine designs. So we said customize. We want to remove this. We want to replace this with okay. We can, let's say if this, because let's say if it will say this is part of the background. Then since it's part of the background, visuals, text, we can't do much with it, but this we can edit. We can get another picture and put it, and I'll remove the background, replace the background from where? My media. So I want to replace the background. So it's easy to manage. Just replace the background for us, leaving every other thing intact. So if you want to add picture to it, you know how to do it. You can just get any of the picture, any of your picture and add. don't do this, I'll use undo. I hope it will listen to me. Yes. So I'll drag this to the side, otherwise it will affect the whole background. Okay, this is a dancing robot. Okay, so we go to create. Let's pick another project. I will look at Facebook banner. New. Why we are using several examples is to show you that the sky is your limit. You can just do virtually anything. Just keep on rephrasing and you get what you want. Create a Facebook banner for me. I like natural environment. Add birds, butterflies and flowers. Let's see what it will do with it. It knows Facebook. It will give us the size of Facebook. If we want to use the banner for any other thing, we can easily change the size if we know the size we are looking for. So these are the fantastic thing. It's based on our prompts. It's very obedient. I think I like this one. So I would say generate. So if it's my Facebook banner, I can put this thing in. This is a single picture. Let's see what it does with blurring the background, and that is this two. Blur the background for us. Let's see what it does. You see that the background is now blurred. It's only these two birds that are shouting now. I hope it has undo. We'll try undo. But the shouting thing is giving us several options. See, this is ideas. It will give us ideas. Then we can add our own ideas. These are ideas. Good. I love that. So we look at another prompt. We'll design for Instagram. We sell herbal products and we want to attract people to our sites. If we put the site on, that will be okay too, and the address and phone number, it will use it in the design. So you can add the phone number, the address. Let's see what we'll get. Feel free to design anything you can think of. You can say a cat with a cap. You can say a cow. You can say a monkey on anything you think of. See beautiful thing it gave us. You don't have limitation. Just know that you can create anything you dream of. Then the text is on its own. Move the text where you want it to be. Change the color of the text. Add more text here. Change the theme. And a lot. Join us. This uses this as background for the design. We don't need it. We delete it. We have this. We want to change the color to some other color. We do that. You are free to experiment with so many things. Which color will show there. Then the color there, you see the font we are using is not thick enough to withstand this change of color. So we look for thick, the one that is thick, to withstand the effect of the background. So we are interested in the display. We need thick. Okay. As you stretch this, these are just to cover up. So you're free. Remember how to remove anything you don't want here. So with this, we've covered several areas. You can use Microsoft Designer to design image. You're not limited to anything. You're not limited. Let's say a lady in a tub with swimming pool background. Anything you can think of, say it. A lady in a tub with swimming pool background. Swimming pool background. You don't need big grammar. We just send this and it will give us what we want. Life is easy. the streaming, I hope it will understand it. A streaming, okay, that's a streaming. It's okay. Okay. So that's it. We'll regenerate it again. A lady in a tub. Create a lady. Okay, this is what it's giving us. Create a design of a lady relaxing. You see it in a tub with a screaming. So let's go by its own suggestion. So it's very helpful at times, because I was not seeing a lady relaxing in the tub. I believe that anybody in the tub should be relaxing. So I didn't add all these clues, but I now corrected that I should say it that way if I want to get that picture. So that's it. That's what it's giving us. Okay, this looks like what we want. Which other one? This, I'm not seeing any lady relaxing. Okay, this is very okay too. This is one of the, and this too. So we customize this. So if you want this to depict you and this is a video, you can just remove this picture and put your own picture if it wasn't a video. So that's what we have. If you see this video sign, you know it's a video. The earlier one is still here. All our old jobs are still here. So go ahead, you're free. Design anything. The one that is real, fictional. You say, tell it the fictional. Tell it to use any graphics you know. If you know the name of artist, use Dab, what is it, Pixarize, Liza. Use the name of any artist. Use watercolor, use painting, anything you can remember as style in this. Use it. If you don't know the name of artist and what their artwork look like, you can search for it. Once you see the artwork you like, ask the AI to design like this man, and it will do that. So with this, we come to the end of this lecture. And the next lecture will just summarize all we've done, encourage you to explore and use AI. This is the modern tool, and with it you can do just everything. Thank you. See you in the next class.
Do not forget to subscribe to see more of these videos. It's also advisable for you to enroll in this course to enjoy the full course that has several lectures. I look forward to seeing you. Thank you.